be directed to everyone's favorite household appliance, the microwave. You know, microwave, I'm going to be straight with you. Yes, I appreciate that you beep obnoxiously when you're done. It's fine. I get it. I'll be in the other room and you'll say, "Hey, I'm done." It works out perfectly. But sometimes, microwave, I want you to shut up. Sometimes I don't want everyone in the house to know I'm heating up ramen noodles at 2:30 in the morning. And why do you have to beep 3 times? If I'm able to open the door, get my food out, and shut it, you shouldn't still be beeping like, "Hey, did you get your food?" Yeah, microwave, I did. You know, we can fix this, microwave. It doesn't have to be this way. All you need is a mute button. And when the mute button is turned on, it'll flash mute on the screen in the little corner. And so if I don't want you muted, I'll be like, "Oh, it's muted. I better turn it off." Sometimes I've had a stressful day, microwave, and I